Hey y'all, welcome to today's asynchronous video. In this video, I'm going to be going over a couple of sample problems for your activity today. Again, from your Nearpod, you're going to be going onto the next screen once this video is over, and you're going to be beginning this Desmos activity. So again, once you click on the link for our Desmos activity, I want you to go ahead, make sure that you sign in with your KIP Google Climb account. I'm going to go ahead and just do that right now. Again, make sure that you are signing in with your KIP Climb account. Once you have done so, go ahead and enter this activity and begin following the prompts on your screen. Again, remember this top right hand corner, you can click next to view the next screen in the slide deck. So if you have any questions, remember to always reference back to this main page. It's going to have a couple of key points for you. But for today, I want you to work on problems like this one, where you're creating a table for equations. And in the beginning, you will have these x values provided, but a little bit later on, you will have to create your own x values for tables like this. So again, big piece of work that y'all need to be able to do is filling in values for y based on the x that you are given. So in this case, I'm starting with 0 because I know when x is 0, my value is just going to be this end number, in this case, a positive 3. And then I can begin filling out the rest. Again, if I'm going 1 up in my x, I can go 2 up for my y. Whoops, making this 5. And then the opposite is true. If I take 1 away in my x, I'm taking 2 away in my y, leaving me with just 1. But you can also create your table using your equation. So again, if I'm plugging in 2 for x, it's going to look like y equaling 2 times 2 plus 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 gives me 7. So this is the value that I'm going to be plugging into this table right here. And again, if you take notes of these, it will be helpful a little bit later on, because once you complete this table and you click next, I want you to plot out using the table that you just created. Again, that means using the numbers from this screen, 1, 3, 5, and 7, and applying it to these values here. So again, that's just going to be 1, 3, 5, and 7. And once you do that, you should start seeing the outline of your graph coming into view. This is what I want y'all to be able to do. You will also be asked to draw a line through these points on a later screen. But if you would like to check your work, you can always just copy and paste this equation into the row right beneath your table. This is another easy way to see if your values match up, if your points also belong on that line. And lastly, I'm going to ask y'all to create equations from word problems. Again, that's a skill that we've been working on this week, and I want y'all to go ahead and apply that information onto a graphing calculator. So again, remember, first things first, read your problems. In this case, Dave went to increase his trading card, or Dave wants to increase his trading card collection. Right now, he only has 4 trading cards, but he can buy more cards for his collection. There are 8 cards in every pack. Dave buys. Create an equation to show how Dave's collection will grow. So again, in a problem like this, I want y'all to be able to identify an M and a B value, and you're going to plug those numbers into here. So for example, in this one, looks like he starts out with 4. Again, my starting value is going to be my B, so I'm plugging that in there. And there are 6 cards in every pack Dave buys, so that 6 is how my equation grows. And since I'm trying to increase, it's going to be a positive 6. And once you plug in both values, you're going to see your graph automatically graphed on your coordinate grid, helping you figure this out a little bit easier. So again, you're going to face problems similar to these, if not just number swapped. Remember to reference back to this video if at any point you have questions. Otherwise, good luck. Let me know if you have any problems. Again, feel free to reach out, and I will see y'all in person online tomorrow.